Tips and information to make email marketing work for your business. Would you like to reach a broad audience in a very direct way? You can do that with email marketing. But how can you use email marketing to its fullest potential? In this video, you'll find some great tips that will make the emails you send out a huge success. It is important to avoid sending unsolicited emails when attempting to market a product. Your emails may be marked as spam by people who are not interested in receiving them. This is very bad for business and you may be blocked by certain internet providers. Only send emails to people that you know. If someone receives unsolicited email, it feels like spam. They will wonder if they know you and whether or not they care about what you are offering. This can result in them deleting your email, which would mean your time was wasted. When emailing clients, try following up with a free warranty on your products or services. You could insert an order on the email that tells them to get this warranty immediately. The ending PS could tell them to act now and not to miss this incredible opportunity to try out something they may love. In order to banish all concerns about spam and ensure that no one on your subscriber list is there by mistake, consider employing a double opt-in strategy. Your first message should require some sort of additional action, like replying or clicking on a link, to make certain that the reader wants to receive further emails. Now that you've watched this video, you know how to make email marketing work for you. Apply these tips, and you're sure to see results. Feel free to experiment with what you've learned and develop new strategies of your own. A little emailing can go a very, very long way. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.